Welcome to our deep dive into one of 2023's most groundbreaking technologies, generative artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore how generative AI is reshaping creativity and innovation. The rise of generative AI. Generative AI, a term that's become increasingly popular, refers to AI algorithms capable of creating new, original content. From writing texts, to composing music, and even generating realistic images, this technology is pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. It's not just automating tasks, but generating new ideas and solutions, real-world applications. Let's explore how generative AI is being used. In the creative industries, it's transforming how artists and designers work, offering tools that can create complex designs or assist in brainstorming sessions. In the business world, it's used for everything from generating marketing content to coming up with innovative product designs. Even in science, AI is being leveraged to predict molecular structures and formulate new hypotheses. Challenges and ethical considerations. While the potential of generative AI is immense, it's not without challenges. Issues like copyright, authenticity, and ethical considerations about AI-generated content are sparking debates. How do we ensure that AI respects intellectual property? What are the implications of AI creating art or music? A concrete example of using generative AI is the development of AI-generated artwork. For instance, OpenAI's DALL-E is a generative AI model that creates images and artworks from textual descriptions. Here's how it works in detail. Input description. A user provides a detailed text prompt like, a two-story house shaped like a shoe in a surreal landscape. Processing. DALL-E interprets the text and uses its trained neural network to generate an image. The model has been trained on a diverse dataset of images and corresponding descriptions, allowing it to understand and visualize complex and abstract concepts. Image generation. The AI then creates an image that matches the description. This process involves the AI predicting and placing pixels to form the visual representation of the provided description. Output. The final output is a unique image that visually represents the text prompt. This image didn't exist before and is a product of the AI's creativity based on its training and the specific prompt given. So what can we say as a conclusion? As we embrace the wonders of generative AI, we must also navigate its complexities. This technology is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for a new era of creativity and innovation. It challenges our understanding of creativity and originality, opening doors to possibilities we've yet to imagine. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of generative AI and more.